What's up guys, Josh here if you get tech, and Lenovo has officially introduced its first gaming smartphone that boasts a 6.65-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate and Qualcomm Snapdragon's 865 Plus chipset, the Lenovo Legion Phone Duel. Finally, we got our hands on it, so let's see what it has to offer. Opening the box, you will be greeted with some sound effects, which is pretty cool. Now there's the phone itself, and underneath it is the SIM ejector tool, a unique hard phone case, the manuals, and a dongle, so for sure there's no headphone jack over here. Then there's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and a 65-watt adapter. I also noticed upon switching on the phone, you can see that it is in landscape mode. When it comes to design, gaming phones are known to be unique. A lot is going on the back, like on the left side it says stylish outside, while on the right it says savage inside. The glass back is loaded with holographic and metal finishes and comes in two colors. Vengeance Red, which we have here, and the other color is called Blazing Blue. Also, there's the dual camera in an off-centered placement at the back. In the center of the back phone, you can see the RGB TriStar Legion logo that lights up when the phone is awake. Lights are also customizable, so that's pretty cool. You will see the power button under the pop-up front camera and the Y triggers on the right side. The triggers don't protrude, so there's no tactile feel to tell you that they are there. On the left are the volume rockers, USB Type-C port, and a Lenovo text logo. At the top is its secondary microphone, while at the bottom there's the dual SIM card tray, primary microphone, and another USB Type-C port. While up front we've got dual speakers, one at the top and the other is in the chin. This phone is also quite heavy, but it's not as heavy as compared to other gaming smartphones out there. All in all, the design is overwhelming and Legion is definitely making the most out of it. For display, the Lenovo Legion Phone Duel has a 6.65-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 and a refresh rate of up to 144Hz. There's no glass protection mentioned, but it comes with a screen protector. It's got relatively slim bezels all around and a thick chin just like most phones out there. Talking about screen quality, the colors are great and vivid. It has deep blacks thanks to its AMOLED display and has excellent detail and sharpness. Animations were also buttery smooth thanks to its 144 refresh rate. There's also an always-on display option with different styles to choose from, and for biometrics, it has an in-display fingerprint scanner that works fast as you unlock the phone. Audio-wise, the speakers sound outstanding. The audio has excellent clarity and volume with powerful bass, and the overall sound experience is unexpected for a mobile device. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack here, but Lenovo is generous enough to include an adapter in the box. As for software, the Legion Phone Duel runs on ZUI 12 Legion OS based on Android 10. Lenovo actually puts a heavy skin on the user interface, which is apparent from the icon designs as soon as you start using it. And one of the many things you can do is you can opt to customize your app drawer and add widgets to your home screen as well. Now, when we're talking about gaming, it also features a swipe down from the top of the screen to make the Legion Assistant appear and change many gaming setups without exiting the game. Settings include game recording, streaming mode, screenshots, controller, volume, and brightness. Key information about the network and 5G speed is also visible, along with the current temperature, FPS counter, battery status, and CPU-GPU speed information. Aside from the Legion Realm under the settings where you can customize the backlighting effect, there's also a pre-installed Legion Realm app, which is another utility that helps you quickly access your games to tweak various settings, including the Legion Assistant and the physical Y-trigger controllers. Powering the Legion Phone Duel is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus with an Adreno 650 GPU, and coupled to 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage. The Snapdragon 865 Plus is the best Android chipset available to date. It chomps up anything we throw at it, and you can open as many apps as you want. The 16 GB of RAM is more than enough for multitasking, and it's got very fast read and write speeds based on Android Bench. If you want to know more, check out the rest of our benchmark scores here. With the powerful processor, large RAM, and the high refresh rate, the Legion Phone Duel is perfect for gaming. And when I say perfect, everything is entirely smooth. Overall, the Legion Phone Duel can give its users, especially gamers, an immersive experience. Are you streaming straight through your phone? Well, that's not impossible anymore, as the Legion Phone Duel has a unique feature wherein you can now stream live directly from the phone while you're playing. Once stream mode is active, you can move around the image box to a perfect spot, make it transparent, and allow you to put some fun filters. The Legion Phone Duel also makes gaming easier with its dual ultrasonic shoulder keys that let you quickly trigger in-game actions like firing, and dual X-axis, which provides you with fine vibration feedback. Although, after 5 to 10 minutes of playing, the phone heats up from 32 to an uncomfortable 43 degrees, so that's something to keep in mind. When it comes to connectivity, the Legion Phone Duel has everything like dual nano SIM support, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and 5G support. Lenovo has a pair of 2,500 mAh batteries combined, giving the Legion Phone Duel a 5,000 mAh battery capacity, which should keep you gaming all day. The device supports 90-watt charging, but the 90-watt charger is sold separately. You can charge via both ports at once, and it takes 30 minutes for a full charge. So if you're a gamer on the go, this could make all the difference between gaming without limits and having to slow down frame rate or display brightness to save on battery. Also, if you want to top off your battery while playing a game, there's a USB-C port on the side of the phone on the opposite end of the pop-up camera that lets you plug in and charge without the cable getting in your way. In our PC Mark battery test, it managed to get 11 hours and 59 minutes of battery life. While in our standard video loop test, which entails the phone being in airplane mode, 50% brightness, 50% volume, and earphones plugged in, the Legion Phone Duel lasted for 18 hours and 26 minutes. Now let's take a look at the cameras. The Legion Phone Duel's camera has a rear dual camera system consisting of a 64-megapixel f1.9 main and a 16-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens, while up front it has a motorized pop-up camera consisting of a 20-megapixel f2.2 sensor. The rear cameras captured photos with great detail, sharpness, and decent colors when shooting with natural light. Pictures at night are looking really good as well. There is a beauty filter enabled by default for selfies, but you can disable it in the settings. It produces a good image, details are present, and the colors are vibrant enough suitable for social media postings. For videos, you can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second. It features video stabilization, and video quality is surprisingly pretty good. The colors are vibrant, and of course the details are also present. Although this is not the most powerful camera hardware available, its capability is comparable to mainstream phones in this category. Overall, Lenovo did an excellent job with the Legion Phone Duel. It's a robust device with everything you'd ever wanted in a gaming smartphone: fancy design, impressive performance and display, excellent camera quality, good battery life, and the fact that you can live stream straight through this phone while playing is superb. It's clear that this phone is meant for use in landscape orientation, and that's apparent by the pop-up front-facing camera that comes out of it and the other USB Type-C port. Indeed, the Legion Phone Duel is a beast of a device. The price is not revealed yet, but if you're interested in finding out, watch out for the ESGS Live event on October 24. So, what can you guys say about the Legion Phone Duel? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, stay safe, and I will catch you in the next one.